Peace, guys, and welcome back to another Urban Eating After Hours with your host, Terran Lewis. So today we're going to be talking about body scrubs in our episode. It's not going to be a super long episode, but it's still going to be good enough so we can get a good amount of info on the body scrubs that we offer here at Urban Eating and how to use body scrubs to exfoliate. And that's the main property of body scrubs in general, is to exfoliate, to help the body remove any dead skin cells. Our body replenishes its cells every 27 to 28 days. And exfoliation just helps to rejuvenate the skin, and it just helps to strip away any unwanted dead bacteria and cells. And so our different scrubs that we use, these are some of our sampler ones that we use. And I'm gonna actually be showing you guys a demonstration with my good assistant today, my fine assistant. I'm gonna be having him come out in a second. But these are some of our body scrubs that we have here. We have an unscented body scrub, which is the oatmeal honey. I was just smelling all of these prior to filming, and this one smells so good. It smells exactly like oatmeal, just like a bowl of oatmeal. A good classic scrub. And then, like I said, this one's unscented, made with brown sugar, oatmeal, and honey. The next one up is our tea tree and turmeric. This one is really good. It can help with, it may help with hyperpigmentation. It may help to even the skin complexion. And it's also anti-inflammatory. And then it's exfoliating as well. And then we have vanilla mint coffee. This one is one of my favorites, just because of that coffee smell. I can't get enough of it, especially if you're taking like that morning shower. Any coffee products are always good to use, like to give you that wake me up, that pick me up that you need. And then next we got grapefruit and Himalayan pink salt. This is a really good purifying and exfoliating scrub. This is my only salt scrub, so be careful if you have any cuts, because this scrub will expose you, okay? But it's really good and it does its job. And then this is actually going to be the one that I'm using today. This is our lemongrass and patchouli, which is made with poppy seeds and brown sugar. But lemongrass and patchouli, that blend together is just like one of my favorite combinations. And so I'm going to be using it on my lovely assistant today, giving him a scrub. And then I'm going to follow it up with a body butter, because you just want to seal in that moisture and that hydration. So if my lovely assistant will join me on camera. Hey, lovely assistant, welcome.
Hello.
So I had to get my man because he got the man hands, and it looks like his hands are the perfect subjects for this situation right now. Your hands are set up. It's okay. By the time they get done here, they won't be ashy. So that's why I had to get my man, because he got the man hands. You use them both hands.
Oh, okay.
It's gonna be a both hands situation.
Okay. They both ashy.
All right, so we're gonna use our sink. Let me make sure the sink is on. Boom. Okay, so let's put your hands, because this can get quite messy. Yeah, wet your hands up a little bit. So he's gonna wet up his hands a little bit. Alright. And then from here, I'm just gonna give you some scrub to put in your hands.
What is this from the lemongrass?
Yeah, that's the lemongrass and patchouli. And then, so just take it and give yourself a good massage. So it makes men go. And this, massage, set some good intentions. Scrub away that ashiness.
Oh yeah.
Please.
All right, put the water back on.
All right. So now we're gonna put the water back on, and he's just gonna rinse it off. Let me actually get some paper towels, so you can rub it down. So with the scrubs, you can use them in the shower. You can use them in the shower, so that way you're already in the shower, and it's, because they can be kind of messy. Even in your sink, you're definitely gonna have to probably clean your sink after you use them. But using things like brown sugar and salts, they dissolve in water, so that's a good thing too. All right, and we also put oils into our scrub so that you really get that good moisturization there as well. But we're still gonna add some body butter just to make sure that the hands are good and
Pretty
hydrated.
moisturized.
Are those brand new hands?
Yeah, it's pretty moisturized.
Oh, you don't want any body butter. You're like, you're good.
It's almost
Okay,
like,
I didn't know. So you good.
Hey,
You don't
like,
even need no backup.
You don't even need no body butter, honestly. Like, you're pretty.
And you're shining. Your hands are like good and ashy before. So yeah, that's why I had to spotlight the body scrubs today, because this is something that's like slept on, but body scrubs are really bomb. They're really cool and you can really even consider it to be like a hand scrub. You know, you can keep it next to your sink for times when your hands are like extremely dirty and you have a little bit of extra seconds to add to scrubbing your hands and massaging your hands. You can keep some popsicle sticks like this around, and then of course your paper towels.
It's pretty moisturized. I mean, it's pretty like, it's almost like you just use like the body oil or something like that.
Pretty much, yeah. Your hands look like.
So if you know if my hands like look like this and they look very moisturized, then you know that if you did it on your whole body, that you would have a good experience.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah.
All right, so I think he just, you know, he handled it. You pretty much, you gave me.
Y'all saw what my hands looked like before. They was jacked up, but now they good.
So yeah, so this has been my tester for a year. So thank you for continuing to be my tester.
Awesome.
Thank you for joining us. So yes, that was my episode today. I just wanted to show you guys a demonstration of how the body scrubs work and how you can use them for yourself at home. And then they have various uses and various benefits to them as well. So thank you for joining me for another Urban Eating After Hours. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.